Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply Minimalist Vitamin B5 Moisturizer. First, always begin with a freshly cleansed face. After washing, gently pat your skin dry, leaving it just a little damp. This slight moisture helps the product spread smoothly and absorb effectively. Now, take a small, pea-sized amount of the moisturizer onto your clean fingertips. This is usually enough for your entire face and neck. Once you have the moisturizer on your fingertips, gently dot it across different areas of your face, your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Then, using light, upward, and circular motions, gently massage the product into your skin. Be sure to cover your entire face and neck evenly. Give it a few minutes to fully absorb before applying any other products or makeup, ensuring maximum benefit. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, just like your skin needs care, your home deserves a smart clean. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly. You can find the link and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. For best results, incorporate this moisturizer into your routine twice a day, both in the morning and before bed. The key ingredient, panthenol, also known as vitamin B5, is excellent for soothing and deeply hydrating your skin, improving its barrier function. Remember, you don't need a lot. Using excessive amounts won't provide extra benefits and might feel heavy. Consistency is more important than quantity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.